The biggest lie you were taught is that space is silent. Let me explain. Space looks empty. But emptiness doesn't mean quiet. In deep space, sound can't travel the way it does on Earth. So for a long time, we assumed there was nothing to hear. Then NASA did something unexpected. They captured real sound waves coming from the Perseus black hole and amplified them. We expected a mechanical hum, a low, boring vibration. Instead, we heard this. A scream. Those waves are pressure ripples moving through superheated gas, vibrating at frequencies so low they had to be raised by millions of times just for us to hear them. That sound is not a monster. It's a star being torn apart, stretched, shredded, eaten alive by gravity itself. The universe isn't silent. We're just not designed to hear what's really happening out there. Like and subscribe for more.